Tallinn is one of the most surprising capitals in Northern Europe, and what makes it perfect for cruise passengers is how incredibly close everything is. From the cruise port, you can walk to the historic center in just 10 to 15 minutes, following a flat and well-marked path that takes you straight into one of the best-preserved medieval old towns on the continent. As you leave the port area, you immediately notice the contrast between the modern skyline, the Ferris wheel, and the more contemporary neighborhoods, and the medieval towers rising in the distance. Tallinn is compact, clean, and very easy to explore, even if you only have a few hours. The first highlight is the Old Town, or Vanillin, a UNESCO World Heritage Site full of narrow cobblestone streets, colorful houses, and open squares. The Town Hall Square is the heart of Tallinn and a great place to get your first impression of the city. From here, you can walk towards the city walls and their medieval towers, which give Tallinn that fairy tale look that many visitors don't expect. If you keep walking uphill, you reach Toompea Hill, one of the best viewpoints in the city. Up here, you'll find the Toompea Castle and the impressive Alexander Nevsky Cathedral, two landmarks that dominate the skyline. The views are absolutely worth it, especially if you want great photos in a short amount of time. If you prefer something more modern, Tallinn also has contemporary shopping areas and the SkyWheel Ferris wheel, which gives you panoramic views of the whole city. The mix of old and new is part of what makes Tallinn so unique. Visiting Tallinn is extremely easy. Bolt, the local ride-hailing service, works flawlessly and is usually very cheap, perfect if you want to save time getting back to the port. The city is safe, walkable, and well-connected, and almost everywhere has free Wi-Fi. If you are arriving by plane, the airport is only 4 kilometers from the city center. It's small, modern, and very convenient, located about 10 minutes from downtown and perfectly connected by tram, taxi, and Bolt. It's one of the easiest airports to use in the Baltic region. If you're enjoying this guide, remember that on Patchy Travels you'll find many more videos about cruise ports and short city visits, including Zadar, Split, Palma de Mallorca, and of course Barcelona. You'll find the links in the description. Tallinn is a fantastic city to explore during a cruise stop. It's compact, beautiful, and full of history, and you can see the main highlights in just a few hours. Enjoy your time in Tallinn, and I hope this video helps you make the most of your visit.